is a valve replacement for a city valve, LADWP.
Oh, I need those. Get up there.
So you take the meter off first?
Yeah.
Because you can't do it without the meter off.
Right.
It's interesting that your tool is a V and not a...
Oh, we're talking about this one?
Yep.
That's because it has all these ridges to fit any size.
Yeah. That's a great tool. 'Cause there's no way you could get you'd get a quarter of a, or an eighth of a turn.
Right, and then have to get something else, like take it off and reposition the tool. It's pretty quick. Here, let me go get the other stuff I need real quick. Go take this jacket off. Have that run.
How many times have you done this one? Hundreds?
Yeah, my name's Dwayne. I'm sorry.
Huh?
My name's Dwayne.
Dwayne?
Yeah, I was laughing with
Oh, because
with
his
Heather.
name's Lance.
Yeah.